Hey, hey, hey! Welcome to the show, everybody. My name is Joseph Earl McPeek ESQ III. And you're listening to the sound of SoundCloud. Yes, I did make all the beats. And you can check out my music on SoundCloud if you like. Thank you. Tonight, and I want to say thank you, Jesus, for the day and the night. It's been beautiful. Every day for years. Thank you. We're going to set some things straight while we make robotic motions. And I want to set some things straight. Okay, we just hit a minute. But I have some scientific things to get off my chest. Why? Because after all, I am a theoretical physicist. I am a cosmologist, a scientist, and what else is there? Basically, I'm like Einstein. I'm the second coming of Einstein. Okay. We are on Earth 2 now because, let's be honest, Einstein was wrong. I'm sorry, guys. He really was. And what was he wrong about? Well, him and everybody else was wrong too. Let me not just put it on him. I'm not trying to pin the tail on the donkey, but they are trying to pin the physics tail on somebody. You see, I see what's going on. I see what's going wrong with physics. Yes, I do. Let me just put it simply. Light don't move. Okay? That's all it is. Light don't move. That's it. You can just go home now and there's no homework and there's So Joe, how are you going to explain all this? How are you going to do it, man? Well, I can start with this light bulb right here. Look. You see that, guys? There's one thing that I noticed about this light bulb that I never noticed before. What's that, Joe? I noticed its brightness is consistent. I noticed it does not have a moving amplitude front. What do you mean, Joe? Yeah. A supernova, a novae candle, does not move. Why is that, Joe? Because it's moving. Why is that, Joe? Because it's moving and you are moving on the same treadmill it is moving on. There's no stress there. That's easy. That's why the Saphidia candle is, or Saphidia? Joe's getting used to all the new terms. He's, after all, a new physicist, a new scientist with a new theory and a new radical overturning of physics because he wants to fix it. He's fixing physics. Look, folks. Light does not have amplitude. When I move that lamp, and I probably should, but I'm not going to. There is no amplitude moving. A supernova has brightness plus amplitude only because that's radiation. But radiation is matter. It is not light. You see, light doesn't do all the damage. The only thing that does damage is the moving matter. Okay? Light don't move. It's easy. It's simple. It's like ABC 1, 2, 3. We've been streaming for 5 minutes, 24 seconds, and I'm getting heavy into my thesis. My name's Joseph Earl McPeek ESQ III, professor of physics, and I have a new radical theory, and I'm going to speak on it right now. Light does not move. It cannot move. Because light does not move, matter can move, and matter does move, and matter is the only thing that matters, that moves. Moves matter. Moves matter. Remember that, guys. There is no gravity. There is no grooves in space. There is no rubber sheet. There is no time dilation. There is no light year. They're off by 100 times on those light years. At least 100 times. We haven't finished our calculations yet. But already we see that everything they look at out there is off by 100 times. The light year is off by 100 times. So that means the speed of light is off at least 100. 100%. Not 100 times, 100%. That's where my deductions led me, guys. I deduced and I deducted through a series of simple yes or no questions that light does not move. It's zero. Now, let's talk about Einstein real quick. It's not his fault. In fact, he was very, very close. Very close. Where he went wrong is when he said light speed. When he said light speed squared, that is true, but that is if you are moving that fast. No, light is not moving that fast. That's my whole thesis right there. Light does not move, and it does not go E equals mc squared because light does not move that fast. But he was only right in a sense. Now, here's where he really screwed up. All right. Now, I've done my research. I've watched 10 or 20 years of Brian Greene and Neil deGrasse Tyson and Cosmos and Carl Sagan. 20 years. All right? 20 years, guys. I know what I'm talking about here. Listen. I like this beat. Let me turn it down a little bit. So this is a tough nut to crack, but here's what's going on. You think you're sitting still? No, you're not. You are right now going incredible supersonic velocities through space. You, not a light beam. You are the mover. Your matter moves and light can't. Therefore, matter can, because light can't. Matter can't sit still, therefore light does. When they look out into those galaxy spiral arms and superclusters and black holes, they think it's going away. No, it's coming at us. They think red shift is stretching out? No, it's coming in. We are on the leading edge of the red, not in the black trench where the secondary infrared light is. See, there's a black band. And that black band is only a Planck length long, guys. Guys, listen to me. This is the order of the universe right now, and we're going to go. But this has been a masterclass on physics and cosmology, but I'm going to tell you the whole order of the universe right now. Right now, guys, listen. This is how it goes. It's easy as A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, let's go, Joe. Tell me how we go, bro. Well, my name is Joe, and I like physics, yo. I'm going to tell you how it go. It goes 1, 2, 3, it's easy as A, B, C. Michael Jackson, C. Hee. Let's go. Are you listening to me? I'll just try to continue. Yo, at the venue. I got a TV named Vimeo. Yo, Vizio. No, that's my sound bar at the bar. Let's go, car. Put it in shift. Anyways, guys, listen. I'll tell you how the order goes, guys. Listen. 0 is light, and it doesn't move. Okay? Then it's /1. That means the completion of the binary compute. 0 is white. 0 is white. /1 is black. Okay? It's a binary compute. Alright? White is 0. Did you hear me? Take notes. White is 0. This is a master class. 1 is black. So it's 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. That makes gray. Okay? There's a gray delta quadrant zone. Alright, let me continue my thesis. Gray is where matter computes. So you got black, white, and then the hiss of the CMB is. You know what that hiss is? That's a ticker tape of existence. Each hiss, each particle of that hiss is time stamped a Planck length. Okay? That's where light comes from. Light goes. Okay, so follow me now. I'm not done. So we got the hiss right, and then what, Joe? Okay, so that's light is 0. Matter is 1. Okay, the 0 and the 1 make the hiss of the CMB. Okay. Then what, Joe? Then there is the third zone, the C, and that is the Minkowski cube, lit. Okay, that's 3D. So ABC, 1, 2, 3, 3D. Okay? Now where are we at, Joe? Well, that's existence. That's you, me, 3D, matter, and a lit Minkowski cube. Okay? Then what, Joe? Well, then there's 4D. What's that, Joe? Well, that's where you operate time. Okay? 4D is where you operate. But 5D is just a receipt. That's a time box. 5D is where Einstein is. Joe is in 4D. He's an operator of the state. You see? Joe knows how to operate light. Therefore, he's fast as the Dickens. He's not trying to be a dick about it, but he's fast as the Dickens. Okay, so anyways. So this is how it goes. It goes 1, the light, 2, you and matter, and then 3, the shadow. And you can never get behind the shadow. Why? Because it's the order of the universe. And those 1, 2, 3 ABCs, they fit together like Russian doll skins. I'm not kidding. No, bro. We don't have to kid in these masterclasses. But that's the way it goes in JoJo land. I'm trying to tell you guys. You don't understand. If you think light moves, you don't understand the real world. You don't. No, you're fooling. If you still believe in Einstein, he was wrong by 100%. We've already done the calculations. We've already proven it. You know what proves it? It's just gonna blow your mind. Joe, where's your pencil, man? Can I just wiggle this? Look at that, guys. All right. Joe. Oh, right here. Oh, there you go, Joe. This is a metal harmonica. It's not rubber. It's not plastic. But can JoJo turn it to rubber? Yes, he can. Yes, he can. Watch, guys. Joe, how did you do that, man? Oops, I better stop. Anyways, guys. Because Joe knows how the universe works. It goes light, matter, moving matter, then a shadow. And the shadow's the unused compute. It's always a silhouette because it's... Is there a shadow? Can you do a shadow? Not in this film. Joe can't do shadows in this film. But anyways, we'll get into shadows later with the proper... Now, look. It's always light first, but you can be in the beam because light don't move. Light don't move, guys. Only you move through the universe at a gazillion billion miles per hour. Like this bass line. That's you through the astral plane. Let the music go. Let the music go. Let the music go. Let the music go, 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 go. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, hit the little bell thing, whatever that is. I don't even know, man. Yeah. Let the music go. Yeah. Let the music go. Let the music go. You better let the music flow. Yeah, let the music flow. Thanks, guys. We'll see you later.